Puja. Puja, ceremony. Ceremony people do for the one type of respect also. I do prayer for God and using the something. Simple example I give the candle. Every religion, every temple, people use the candle. Candle is the simple symbol of the light. What is the light? I put the light on the God. I pray as like light. This light also come inside for me. And ceremony, I remembering the God different way make a ceremony. Ceremony using the mantras, candles especially, flowers. All is the positive things also use. See, the candle is the light, positive. Incense smells, very positive smells come for brain. Flowers you use for happiness. This flower, so you make yourself inside like flower. Flowers is always give the others for beautiful things. When you look the flower coming automatically happiness, smile. Because flower always is smiling. Also is beautiful incense. They give the scent. The scent give the very peace and happiness. These things, all these things using the ceremony for God, indirectly you give yourself. Because you collect and use in the ceremony for prayer. You pray the God, indirectly you pray your inner God. You try to connect by insight to the God. And when you use the mantras, positive mantras, creating the mantra is the sound, positive sound vibration. And this positive sound vibration with positive incense, with flowers, with candle, make a rituals, different way, technique, mandala also, yantra also apply, different type of ceremony, prayer, puja. Then you use the different of mantras, different incense, different flower also, different color flower also. I like Durga prayer, Durga ceremony. You use the red flower because they give the courage for you, confidence. Different mantra. This mantra vibration give the courageous vibration inside for you. Then different type of power you using different type of mantra, different type of yantra and different type of material to make this ceremony. Then people say, why need for this material for this God? Because you using not a God. God no need anything. You using the God different power to gain yourself. And when you use for different God to gain your power, like mother goddess, then you need to mother love. you use this type of energy. Same way, you using for self-suggestion indirectly. Mantra is the one type of self-suggestion also. And like I say, I am happy, I am healthy, I am very silent. It is going to happen. Mantra means many times repeating same positive thinking, positive thought. And ceremony, this puja, every religion